so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we start the problem of longest possible routes in a matrix with hurdles. Means we have given a boundary matrix, size n into m contains values 0 and 1s and 4 integers xs, ys, xd and yd represents the source cells xs and ys, and destination cell is xd and yd. Find the length of the longest possible path of the source cell be destination cell. From the any cell you can move its adjacent cell in the up, down, left, right directions. Right now, 1 represents the traversable cells, 0 represents the blocked cell that cannot be visited. A cell can visited at most once in a path. If the destinations cannot be reached from the source, return -1. So the problem is very simple. The problem is, if you analyze the figure, then you can get like at a time one time only traverse until it goes to the end. So that is the problem. Now, and this is the destination cells. We have all the cells represents here. Now I just understand the problem and write the code. So the problem says that 1 means the cell is open and can be visited. 1 means cell be open and we can traverse this. 0 means the cell is blocked, which means 0, then there is no chance to traverse from the 0. So 0 is block, 1 is visited, right? From a cell you can move up, we can move up, left, right, down. Got it? A cell can be used only once in the same path, and a cell only that means only used at once time in the same path, right? So we must find the longest path from xs, ys to xd and yd, that means destinations. The path length is the number of moves made, not the number of cells visited, which means we just have to calculate the path, the number of moves made, not the number of cells visited. Got it? Now understand, like if we have the path of 0 0 0 1 1 1. Got it? This path visited 3 cells, but its length is 2. Got it? What I am saying? This path visited 3 cells, but its length is 2 only. If no path exists, then return -1. If no path exists, return -1. Got it? What I am saying? Yes. So this is the problem. Now, in that we can analyze like this type of the problem, source to destinations. So we have to use the BFS or DFS. Now we just think which one we can use, DFS or BFS. Got it? So BFS is used to find the shortest path. Got it? So here we don't have to find the shortest path, we have to find the longest path, but we just have to traverse at a time one cells and reach to the destinations. So that is the long path. So here if this is the long path, so we can use the DFS, not the BFS, right? We need to longest path without revisiting cells, which means therefore we must explore every possible valid path using DFS with the backtracking. Got it? So the every cell mark it as visited, every cell mark it as visited. When we traverse, explore all 4 directions, explore his all 4 directions, right? And then restore the cell when returning, so it can be used in another possible paths. Got it? What I am saying? Yes. So without any further delay, I just write the code, then you explain what I am saying, right? So start to write the code. Got it? So start from the, we need the function, but before function I just complete this, right? So here int xd, and sorry, we have to the xd and yd, right? So not need to dissolve. Now we just set the n is equal to met dot size, got it, and m is equal to met of 0 dot size, got it. Now answer is equal to -1, that is also fine. If mat of xs ys is equal to 0 and mat of xd yd is equal to 0, then return -1, got it. DFS mat of xs ys xd yd and 0, right? Simple, return answer. Now just write the function, and the function is start from the void, but start from the void dfs, right, and vector. We just, I think we just have to take this one, and no, okay, I can write all the things from my ends. Vector int met int x int y int xd int yd int distance, got it. So here, now before that we just need to the public instance, like int and am and int answer is equal to -1, and int direction dx of 4 is equal to -1 1 0 0, got it. Now int dy is dy of 4 is equal to 0 0 -1 1, got it, this one. Now here I just start the write the functions. The function is, if this is a base case, if x is equal to xd and y is equal to yd, got it. So this is the, what is answer is equal to max of, we just have to find the max of answer and distance, got it, and then just return. After this, mark current cell as we did, right? Mark current cell as visited, got it. Now here is mat of x and y is equal to 0, right? For example 4, sorry, not example 4, I start the loop I is equal to 0 to I greater than is equal to 4 direction, we have to the 4 direction, and I plus plus, got it here. Now int new x, that means we have the direction of x, then that is the x plus dx of I, got it. And the same thing is int new y is equal to y plus dy of I, got it. So if new x 0 of 0 and new of x of n and new of y greater than is equal to 0 and new of y of m and mat of new of x and new of y is equal to 1, simple one. Now here that DFS, we just start the DFS and mat of the same all the things, new of x, new of y, and xd and yd and distance plus 1, simple, got it. and then not returning because this is the void. So met of x and y is equal to 1. Simple one. Now try to compile it. It will compile or showing some error. Yeah, there is error. What is the max? Okay. Line number 10 is there is the problem of max. Answer is equal to max. Got it? So this is the problematic things here. So DFS int answer of and the YD and then max of answer to distance then return. So this is the problematics. Why this is the problematic? X is equal to xt and YD equal to YD. That is the very correctly. Okay, I just see what is the problem. Yeah. So this is the there is a smaller mistake, but now currently I just mark as all the with the comments you can see here and try to submit it. So in that, if you can see, then there is the time complexity of what is 4 to the power k. Why? There is the only for we have to traverse the k. That means worst case where k is the number of traversal cells, which means how much times k is traversals, right? And the space is order of k. So I think you will understand. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.